Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Keep the comments coming. If you are looking for anything specific or if you have interviewed for any positions, let us know in the comments down below. I have enjoyed reading the comments and finding out that these job leads are helpful, that you are not only getting interviews, but some of you are getting hired at your dream jobs and are able to work from home. That is so exciting because I always want to be helpful to someone. But without further ado, today's job lead is from the company Maximus. Now, Maximus handles federal, state, and local level public policies and programs. They are hiring a medical case specialist to work remote within the United States for their Veterans Evaluation Services. So if you want to help veterans and wounded warriors, if you have a caring and positive attitude, this position may be for you. They are looking for someone, this is a non-phone position. They are looking for someone to read and comprehend medical records and exams sent by the VA and process them accordingly, check the veteran's previous cases for overlapping information, draft and submit clarification inquiries to the VA to better understand the information, enter that into the software system, ensure that the providers have all the necessary documentations and medical records they need. So you'll have to do some researching on some medical conditions and new information when necessary, and identify and include all the relevant worksheets and diagnostics into your case. So what you are doing and what this job entails is providers will want to see veterans, but the VA will not authorize them to see these providers until a medical case is built. The doctor is busy seeing patients, so you are the one handling all the paperwork, the medical records, and researching things and actually building the case, trying to basically pile up enough paperwork to show the VA, hey, this veteran really needs to see this doctor, and this doctor can provide the care best that this veteran needs. So that is what you will be doing. You will be collecting all kinds of medical records and information and building a case to help the veterans get approved for the medical care that they need. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They want someone who has an understanding of medical terminology, great typing skills, strong verbal and written communication skills with excellent grammar, and great reading and comprehension skills. Now, it does say that you have to be able to hardwire the internet into your computer. Wi-Fi is not accepted. And the rate that this job pays, it starts out at $19.23 an hour. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.